And here's I will show you how to find your WordPress website, all pages and posts in cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down and go to database section and open PHP My Admin. Once you are here in this left-hand menu, you see all of your databases. You have to select the database in which database you've installed your WordPress. So this is the database I'm using for my WordPress website. I'm just opening the database, and under the database you have to click on this post option. So click on post, and here under post list you'll find all of your created posts and pages for your WordPress website. So here we can see this is my page, and this is a sample page. This is my privacy policy page, and here we can see here is my random post showing. So that's how we can easily find out our WordPress all pages and posts in cPanel. Thanks for watching.